skies are blue and they know that you when you say, sweet home Alabama. Lord, I'm coming home to you. Oh, yeah. Hey, get some Auburn Tigers singing here. Now, Birmingham, they love the governor. We all need what do we do? Now what a game doesn't bother me. Does your conscience bother you? Tell me the truth, sweet home Alabama, where the skies are blue and they're gonna chew it out. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you. Those of you that visit the Velcro Pygmies Facebook page and that sort of thing, we videotape the shows with a little application called Social Cam, and many of you guys may be on there. So we did this last Thursday, and you can imagine the way the Texas A&M people sang this song. If I may put it in perspective, the Texas A&M fans sang this song just like the Auburn Tigers sing this song. You see, Alabama Crimson Tide fans sing the Sweet Home Alabama, Roll Tide, Roll version. Auburn Tigers sing the Fuck You Alabama, War Damn Eagle version. The Texas Aggies decided they were also going to sing the Fuck You Alabama version. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to do one more verse, and we're going to videotape it, and then all of those Texas Aggies can see what we're going to do in Alabama. So I'm going to get it started. All right, so everybody get your hands up, make a little noise. Let's set this up. Okay, Texas A&M, we are standing here in Daphne, Alabama. In front of us, we have a bunch of Alabama Crimson Tide fans. We also have a bunch of Auburn Tiger fans. We're going to do one more verse and then let everybody sing their version. Now, I don't know if I need to point out the fact that although the Alabama Crimson Tide are in fact the national champions, they did have one loss this season. Brought to you compliments of the Texas Aggies, ladies and gentlemen. So, Alabama Crimson Tide fans, you got something loud to sing about. Auburn Tigers, you got something loud to sing about. One more verse, and we're going to do this. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Alright, let's sing it. Here we go. Now Muscle Shoulders has got a swampers, and they know the biggest song of you. Yes, they do. And Lord, they give me all so much. Get it, baby.